Guys, what's up? CWWS, and today we are doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's not the Fly More bundle anymore. I guess it's the sweet ass controller bundle. We got this and we're trying to get into the drone game, do some, new shots, testing out new things. We're gonna be drone pros by hopefully this time next year. And this is the highest end bundle that we got from DJI. Full color controller. There is another bundle that comes with the controller that you can use with your phone, and then there's another bundle, the cheapest bundle, that isn't actually a bundle. It's just the drone. So we don't have any previous drones. This was our first. This is our intro drone. So we got the one with the controller. We don't have to worry about charging our phone. If we're going to do droning, this is just going to be charged up. So that's pretty sweet. We're also doing an unboxing of the tempered glass protector for the controller. It's called the world's best real tempered glass protector, and it doesn't 9H. I don't know if that's the company, but I'll tell you what, this is one of the nicest boxes I have ever seen for any product, period. This is like a cigar wood case that is like patterned in a carbon fiber pattern. So kudos to the packaging, 9H. I am also bringing out this case, which we got on Amazon. This is by Start RC. I think that's how you say it. I'll just do this real quick. This is a pretty generic case just to hold the drone. It doesn't come with one, but it's it's got kind of a softer fiber kind of inserts. It could fall nice and easy. I wouldn't worry about it falling. It's also got a nice little strap in there. But honestly, if it gets wet, I don't think it's waterproof. So it's kind of just a nice generic case to kind of hold all your drone and accessories and controller. Yeah, so that's the Start RC case. We picked that up off Amazon. I believe it's about 60 bucks. Just to make sure our drone investment is protected. And it's got a nice little handle here too. We also have the VCU Tech, I guess, heli pad or drone pad. This is just for landing. This is something that Carly really wanted to get. She just thinks it's just something that it's really easy to land, and it's a bit of padding. So when it lands,
and it won't get blown by the wind easily compared to like those like fabric ones that you have.
Yeah, it's got a bit of weight to it. So let's just open this up real quick too. This is 25 by 25 inches. And it's actually kind of a hard surface. It's almost like mouse pads. So as you can see, it's a nice bright orange or a nice dark gray with orange. But it's just a little something to land your drone on. It's actually kind of nice. I like how it kind of folds in every direction. So that's the VCU Tech drone landing pad. So now we're going to do an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. This is the latest drone from DJI, coming in at under $250. Just coming in at under $250. You don't need to do anything. I think this is just basically, you don't need to register it, get a license, or do anything. Just because it comes under that $250 limit, this allows you to kind of fly where you want. There are a lot of rules. That's something we're going to dive into a little more. We're new to the drone game, so we're going to have to kind of figure out exactly what we are and aren't allowed to do. But let's get into it, guys. Just looking at the box, we basically have a description of the kind of drone. Ultralight and foldable, less than 250 grams, 4K HDR, 48 megapixel, vertical shooting. This is a big deal. The camera can actually turn vertical now for your TikToks or YouTube shorts. Flagship 12-kilometer full HD video transmission. 12 kilometers, guys. That is ludicrous. 3-directional active obstacle sensing, so you're not going to crash it as easily. And active track, so it can kind of follow you. Really cool. Really cool stuff. And then on the back, what's included is basically the drone, a battery, the premium controller, a screwdriver, spare propellers, USB-C, and the manuals. Also, you can get the DJI Care Refresh. I think that's kind of like the insurance for it. I believe once you register it, you have about 48 hours?
Yeah.
48 hours to register. So I don't know the pricing on that, but if you do want to register it, just to make sure it's safe, I think they swap you out if something goes wrong. But then again, I don't know the details. So look into that if you're interested. So let's get this open. I love their packaging. Actually, DJI has incredible packaging. It's so sleek. Kind of reminds me of Apple's, but with less wasted space. Okay, and here we go. Wow. Look at this. I actually love the kind of the little ideas they have just to hold it in here. They have a little cardboard insert with some foam pads. It's kind of cool. And they have this, oh, I love this plastic. These plastic bags, guys. This stuff is so smooth. Some of the nicest plastic bags I've ever seen. I actually want to keep these. They're so nice. But here it is. Look at this, guys. This is super impressive. Super small. Wow. Can you believe this? I'm going to move that right over there. So it just, I guess, folds out. One there. One there. Spins. The bottom ones spin out. The top ones just fold out, but the bottom ones spin out. And that's it. That's the size. Very impressive. That's like it's literally the size of my hand.
Is it a little bigger than the DJI Mini 2?
A little bit bigger than the DJI Mini 2, but you also got it's a charge port, and I assume that's the memory card slot right there. Power button. You've got a nice little protective shield, little bubble shield that comes on the front. And I think when you're gonna fly, you just pop this right off. You can literally just pop that off. And there's the little gimbal camera. Wow, it looks so adorably cute. You got your active track, you've got your obstacle avoidance sensors up there. And I guess there's two more, just on the bottom here. You got two more sensors. So that's gonna help you basically not crash into stuff. Put that aside for now and dig into this box a little further. Pull out the insert. And this is the controller. I was really excited about this. I wasn't a big fan of connecting your phone. I think this was the one that we were destined to get. So we kind of held out. And this is premium, guys. Wow. This has a great feel. This has a great feel. Wow. I'm really enjoying this. So we got to get our little sticks, but the grip on this, guys, is really nice. You got your under buttons, and oh, that's the sticks right there. So the sticks actually fold right in the back. Just pop those out, screw those on. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Oh, even screwing those on feels so premium. Very, very nice. So there's a lot of controls here. Take a photo, record. I don't know if this is like pitch and yaw. Is that what it is? And there's two buttons underneath. Micro SD in the bottom, charge on the bottom. Yeah. And I don't know if these are some kind of screw holes. I don't know, maybe for something to mount. It's got like a little, I don't know, it's like a fan port that like kind of allows the air to flow out. Air intake, air export. Yeah, the screen, it's like a perfect size. It's basically like a cell phone, but it just comes charged. So when you're going to drone, you're going to be all charged up. You're ready to go. Feels great. I'm really liking this. This is what I'm about. So next we have the instructions. Comes in a nice little box.
The charger.
The charger, a little screwdriver. I think this is for changing your blades and extra blades. So manuals, warranty info, pamphlets, do's and don'ts of droning, all this good stuff. No stickers this time. I'm disappointed. Extra propellers, screwdriver to change said propellers, and a nice perfect size little, this is what we were waiting for, guys. This is going to be our new charge cord. So that's it. Everything else, you got silica gels, and that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. We're going to get a lot of footage with this real soon, but as it stands, DJI Mini 3 Pro drone with the special controller and the accessories that we talked about. So guys, just a couple additional things. We already threw on the screen protector. It looks good. You can't even tell. It fits absolutely perfectly. That's just in case we have any kind of damage. The other thing is the charger doesn't come with the pronged connection. You're gonna have to use a cell phone charger, I guess, or plug directly into some sort of USB-C charger. So just letting you know about that. Other than that, we're about to put it in the case, so just so you can kind of see how it looks. In the case. We're going to put our drone right. I think it goes just like this. Nice and easy. And then we also have our controller right there. It fits perfectly. And these are for extra batteries or any kind of accessories for now. We'll just throw in the charge cord. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. DJI Mini 3 Pro drone and accessories, CWWS. Keep an eye on Sweet Peanuts, and we're gonna have some drone footage showing up on that channel first. Thanks for watching.